What's going on, YouTube? So, anyhow, you guys haven't seen from me in a while, and reason being is a lot of life stuff has happened. I'm not really going to get into it all, but yeah, COVID was not good to my family. Lost my grandfather, my grandmother, my uncle, all in the course of like 6 months. So yeah, I've been pretty wrapped up in all that and other life issues going on. But anyhow, you guys didn't come here to see that. But recently, I purchased a 2021 Toyota Rav4 Prime XSE, fully loaded. I lucked out getting this thing. I got it for slightly under MSRP. They're going for like $10,000 over MSRP. I bought it brand new. It's my first brand new vehicle I've ever bought. But I needed something that got good fuel economy, go back and forth across country in the snow and ice and whatnot, and something I was going to enjoy driving. And I didn't want something that was tiny, want something comfortable and had some power. This thing has 302 horsepower and I absolutely love it. Things I don't love about it, however, are these roof rails. These roof rails are pretty much useless. I mean, yeah, you could mount other stuff to them and da 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 da, but I mean, for example, this car has got a really nice moonroof panoramic tile roof on it. Well, those bars get totally in the way. And I don't know if you can see that, but those are water spots all over it from where I take it to the car wash, and it can't get it clean because the rails are in the way. And the rails add a ton of wind noise to it at highway speeds. And pretty much to me, they're absolutely useless at this point. So I'm gonna remove them and show you guys how to do it. And it's not complicated at all, but just figure you guys might want to know. First off, when you buy the car, it comes with roof rail covers and this little tool. This little tool is how you unlock it. Real simple. Take it over to the car, push the deal in to it. You feel it connect. Turn it to the right. Maybe to the left. Okay, my bad. Turn it to the left and it unlocks it. Do that to all four. Then you'll see there's like a little lock unlock thing there. All right. Now that we've taken our little tool, unlocked all the little deals, put the little tool in your pocket, grab a hold of the roof rail up here, your fingers, pull, pop. Okay, that's it. That takes a little aerodynamic hoop thought off of there. And then you've got bolts, unbolt it, take it off. Okay, now that we've got those off, takes a 13mm socket. I'm just using a wobble socket and my little Ryobi impact gun just because it's the first thing I grabbed. But anyhow, just take it off. I'm going to use both hands for this so I don't scratch the car. Okay, once you've got all four of your bolts out, all four sides, all you have to do is grab the roof rack and lift it straight up. That complicated. But yeah, just figure I'd give you guys a little tutorial on that. Save these. Somebody is probably gonna want them. But anyhow, so once you've done that, all you've got to do now, so you've got this big gaping hole. Now you're going to install your little clips. And if you look on the back foam, it'll say right front, left rear, all that on it. So that way you know where they go. So here we've got right front, RH-F. And so now, just come over here and we're gonna lay it up in here, make sure we got it in the right orientation. Yeah, looks good. And now it's just a simple matter of, you got long clips on one side, short clips on the other side. Put the short clips in first. Just like so. And poop, click. It's in there. It's not going anywhere. Good to go. And repeat that on all four corners. All right, and now we're all done. See, it's a nice clean look. No extra stuff hanging up there. And like I learned from my WJ, that crazy roof rack that I built on it, you know how many times I use that thing? Like almost never. I don't think I used it a dozen times ever. And all I ever used it for was to put my fishing poles on. And even that became a pain because the line would get caught in the wire and all that other kind of stuff. The tire putting it up down was nothing but a headache. And yeah, so I just didn't really want to deal with all that on this thing. And the roof rails on this are not movable. They're only in one spot. That's it. Nothing you can do about it. Now maybe there's some aftermarket ones that will be better, but I really like the look of this. And now my moonroof is completely open. I'm not gonna have any problems with clean it, gain it clean, view, any of that, and a whole lot less wind noise driving down the road, especially with the top open. Because with the top open before, it was just ridiculous. Like, nice day, want to open the top, drive down the highway, whatever. It was so noisy that I literally just closed it up. I was like, yeah, this is just annoying. But anyhow, just wanted to show that to you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys are probably freaking out because this isn't a WJ and all this other stuff. Dude, this thing is awesome. I've already taken it off-road. The traction control system on this thing works better than the lockers did in the Jeep. I mean, it gets like 90 something miles a gallon with the way I'm driving it. It's plug-in hybrid, and I mean, I've got solar. Well, you can't see it from here, but I got solar on my roof, so, and it overproduces a ton, so charging this thing doesn't cost me anything. So all the way around, it was good and all that. But in my next video that I'm going to do on this, I'm going to show you guys how to not void your warranty, add more power, more performance, more everything, very simply for less than $500. You interested yet? I'll give you a hint. They're black. Anyhow, SoCal Sniper signing off. See you next time. If you have any comments, questions, or otherwise, please let me know. Hit me up in the comments, and I'll answer them.